My people, oh, another version of wahala don open. Another version of wahala. You see, all the things that Kabiyesi continue to say in that palace is wahala plus wahala plus wahala. Like, after this one, he will see another one. So this time around, it is Temitope's version of wahala. They said that Olori Temitope, Kabiyesi gave it to her woto. Like, the kind of question Kabiyesi asked her, she was surprised that she don't even know that Kabiyesi knows what she had been doing. Yes, so my correct people, because nothing is hidden under this planet. Kabiyesi knows what she had been doing, and Kabiyesi decided to ask her just small question to know, just to let her know that he knows her very, very well, that she's not what they thought she is. So don't forget that Temitope, as we heard, Olori Two-Face, let me call her by her name, Olori Two-Face, because the kind of character that she's displaying is showing that she's showing us Two-Face. So we heard that Olori Two-Face husband, first husband, ex-husband, have been visiting her in that house that they said that Kabiyesi bought for her, where she kept her children and her mother too. So, and the one thing again is that her mother have been shouting and shouting and shouting. I don't know whether her mother have complained about the ex-husband, because me, I don't know how they treated that issue of ex-husband and present husband. I don't just know. So my correct people, we heard allegedly that Olori Two-Face came to Kabiyesi and told Kabiyesi that she is pregnant. That, and she brought the scan. The scan shows that she is multiple pregnant. Like, she's more than, the babies are not only 1 or 2, but they reach up to 3 or 4. This one is battalion that she wants to bring into Kabiyesi's help. Battalion. Olori Toby Phillips, Toby's own is just 2. This one now 4 or 5 she want to bring, because she said that it is battalion. So the same person we heard that have been staying with her husband, that have been having, that kind of thing now with her husband, and her husband will come to that mansion and stay for like 2 weeks, 1 week. You will not see Temitope anywhere. She will not even go out. She will stay indoor for that 1 week. And now, blessed result of what the ex-husband did is out. If it is true, because when Toby said she was her own pregnant, nobody we believed, but Olori Toby said that it is not true until this issue of DNA test started rising. So I don't know. They said that she brought the DNA test, the scan to Kabiyesi and showed Kabiyesi rejoicing. Oh, Kabiyesi, congratulations to us. Congratulations to us. I'm pregnant for multiple babies. Look at the scan. They said that Kabiyesi, the question that Kabiyesi asked her was, who is responsible? She was like, Kabiyesi, why are you asking this kind of question now? Which kind of question is this? Are you not my husband again? If you're not responsible, who else will be? Kabiyesi said that, I'm just asking you because I want to know who is responsible for this pregnancy. You know that you people are just showing me super story in this palace. The kind of film you people are showing me in this palace, I don't know how to keep watching. Sometimes I watch and sleep will just carry me. My people, so that Kabiyesi asked her who is responsible, and she said that it is Kabiyesi. So this her pregnancy, if it is true, we heard that she had been going around everywhere disclosing it, saying that she's pregnant. Let me tell you the truth. If this is true, I don't think she's pregnant, because there's no pregnant mother that will start to disclose her pregnancy at the early stage. They know they cover pregnancy with a clothes. As in, they know they tie am belt. You see that abortion belt, that waist trainer abi wetin you call am, you cannot tie pregnancy. You be the one that even suffer it if you try to tie it. So if it is time for it to show, people will still see it that it have shown, it have grown to show. Why is she going around everywhere broadcasting it? She's multiple pregnancy, she's this, she's that. She want to do RNG o. Let them use Toby's own to learn lesson. Don't forget that we heard the other time that Toby, Blue said that she's also pregnant. That was after Toby Loba gave birth to her own, and Kabiyesi celebrated and gave them and did naming ceremony to the babies. So small before you could know it, Blue planned with her own doctor to tell Kabiyesi that she's pregnant. It was her own doctor that confirmed that she's pregnant, nobody else. They did not even call a family doctor. It is her own, that is Blue's own personal doctor. You see? So maybe after they have found out that maybe Kabiyesi did not do anything in Toby's own, everybody now want to be pregnant. They now decide that, okay, since Toby went and it was successful for her, let us try luck now. Because now luck they are trying. So they said that Kabiyesi told her that, I just want to know. Because people are becoming surprising, and I don't just understand. Anyway, if it is true, let us wait until the time. But let me tell you the truth. Kabiyesi knows what he is doing. This Toby's own have taught Kabiyesi a great lesson that such a thing will never happen again. In short, Kabiyesi cannot use his hand or mouth again to broadcast to the world that her wife gave birth to a baby, if it's not Queen Naomi and Dr. Elizabeth. And just let's just think about this now. The thing they said that Kabiyesi did on Queen Naomi's head, he did not do it to this Temitope. He did not do it to Ashley. He did not do it to Mariam, Igbi, and the rest of them. It is only Queen Naomi and Dr. Elizabeth that he did it, because he knows that these two are my wives. This is my wife, my own. I married them as first husband. They were not married before. I saw them. I was the one that married them. Come to Queen Naomi's own. Kabiyesi was the one that broke the virginity. Yes, as we heard it allegedly. You see? So why did Kabiyesi not do all of these things to these Oloris? Since he did not do it, let him now discharge them. Is it not better for him to discharge them? Like, divorce them, let them go their way, rather than staying in the palace and wasting time. Okay, now we heard that Olori Ashley have also considered going back to her own, that they have started meeting each other. Anyway, guys, if all of these things we are hearing is true, Kabiyesi need to be careful before they go bring another RNG multiple. This one, you know, say as the number of pikin come and big, the investment that Kabiyesi is going to give them will be big. That is their plan. Kabiyesi, be wise. Anyway, don't forget that all of these are all alleged, because me, I was not there. I hear. Please give my video a thumbs up. I love you guys. Bye.